Ever found yourself standing at a cash machine, desperately needing cash, but then a little voice in your head pops up and asks, "How much can I actually take out from Lloyds Bank today?" It's a common question, and one that often comes with a bit of confusion. We all use our bank accounts for everything from daily coffees to big purchases, but when it comes to cold, hard cash, the rules can sometimes feel a little fuzzy. Maybe you're planning a weekend trip and need some extra spending money, or perhaps you've got a contractor coming who prefers cash payments. Whatever the reason, knowing your daily withdrawal limits is essential for managing your finances effectively and avoiding any frustrating surprises. It's not just about what you can take out, but also about understanding the different ways to access your funds and the varying limits associated with each. Because let's be honest, nobody wants to be caught short when they really need access to their own money. So, let's clear up that confusion once and for all. When it comes to withdrawing cash from Lloyds Bank, there are a few key figures you need to keep in mind, and they largely depend on how you're withdrawing the money. For most Lloyds Bank debit card holders, the standard daily cash machine withdrawal limit is £800 per day. This applies whether you're using a Lloyds Bank ATM or another cash machine in the UK. This £800 limit is for each account and resets at 11:59 p.m. each day. So, if you hit your limit, you'll need to wait until the next day to withdraw more cash via an ATM. Now, what if you need more than £800? This is where your options expand. If you visit a Lloyds Bank branch in person, there are generally no limits to how much cash you can withdraw, as long as you have the funds available in your account. However, for larger amounts, typically anything over £2,000, it's highly recommended to give the branch some advance notice, usually 24 hours. This allows them to ensure they have the cash readily available for you, preventing any delays. Imagine turning up for a significant withdrawal only to find they need time to get it ready. A quick call beforehand saves you time and hassle. It's also worth noting that if you have a business debit card with Lloyds Bank, the ATM withdrawal limit is slightly different, usually set at £700 of cleared funds per day. So, if you're a business customer, keep that in mind. What about other ways to get cash? You can also get cash back at most UK supermarket checkouts, typically up to £50 with a Lloyds Bank debit card, though this is a per-transaction limit and isn't usually considered part of your main daily withdrawal limit for ATMs. While you can't typically increase your ATM withdrawal limit in the same way you might increase a credit card limit, understanding these different avenues for cash withdrawal allows you to plan accordingly. If you consistently find yourself needing to withdraw more than £800 from an ATM, utilizing in-branch withdrawals with prior notice will be your best approach. Always remember to carry valid identification when visiting a branch for large transactions. And there you have it, a clear breakdown of how much you can withdraw from Lloyds Bank per day, depending on your method of withdrawal. Knowing these limits can save you a lot of time and potential frustration, ensuring you always have access to your money when you need it. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.